Mema Bibi Akwawa about GCDs, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Running mate who sent me a month to say, Napo, MPP for a and not a assembly. Still, I want to see Suki say, Napo, Bawumia, running mate. Now, assembly. Now, branch about body and simply at the fire running mate who sent me, Akufo Addo. Now, answer me and similarly, you know, let's just say, so when you subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe and I like it. Now I watch a video no ama of so enya na wa hwe. Afriyie mbura eye minimum. Running mate who send me Dr. Mahama Vice President as one year Frankatuni flag bearer ema MPP say wodi ni pakọ na etimisi su bia say we and the running mate. Na nipa ni din epiem pa o tese we create kan Napo mati opoku prempe na koye exemplary. Na information ayenya abanti odin sami duga tese Akufo Addo wo penapo only nyaya na kayemfa free no pare na ko yensim bebre Bawumia uzu nyaya nka ope education minister yawo educhu na ko yensim bebre still up to now before one meeting one running meet na branchi odin sema bia ohwa John Agyapong na penso ono eni Aliu Mahama de ko na one jiditu wo Akufo Addo sa bre no wo so wo de Bawumia no nya MPP and I wouldn't buy so economy in China. I would buy me back now MPP for a gym. Now I do buy me also. I say, will you running meter? I know 1% over pencil. And then I put assembly. Now, Branty, what the assembly to get the Akoto, Akufo Addo way, mafia, Nima, Air Coswell, per way. Women tea Branty running some what the Atuga interior.
Apart from Napo, everybody here is ungrateful. The only person that made your campaign, man, and now what Napo did to a vice president and make a campaign.
Take this from me. If they go to this kind of election and the NPP, let's say do what's more for flag bearership, Napo contest.
Say there's a Bawumia so I'm fan Napo. They won't prepare for say also lose Napo contest.
Me say no paying for me catch me say Bawumia mo Napo dia. The best wo kroma di jai. Then Bawumia should even come to the Ashanti region. Me say mun can tell Bawumia and nko for say. So mun no ko body info be apart from Napo. Then Bawumia should forget about Ashanti region. If you can match your poku in terms of hard working as a sector minister and energy yet to say.
Me
say now what they do light in 4,144 and then Napo. My main class Akufo Addo, they are not even ready. They won't win, but one day said them baby class what they make Bremen. They don't even want to listen to Napo credit crowd with their discussion. You know why? Akufo Addo, they know said the grounds is not fertile for Bawumia. So it's somehow difficult for Bawumia to win the elections. If you look at this Agyapong document, after the alleges of Akufo Addo and the dividends in maturity, and they want people they can control. Take this from me. One, Napo, Free. Akufo anything offer. Akufo Addo, per this Agyapong document, they don't want the party to come to the Buzia side no for now. If they submit the name to another Akufo Addo, nay na put no better.
What is it?
Me say, if they submit the name to Akufo Addo, now Akufo Addo dinum nas na put no better. This is the Agyapong document.
I told you so the case say President Akufo Addo say ya submit names on neck. Na say na put no better. That be a Kasamba Kochadu. And then the Amamania Jamia no way say. I got a call from a man, Minimno. He called me the private number so I suffer. He prayed for me. Was say, I did be a mamma said me ye manipa. Na me ye manyame. He feels and thinks I'm objective, I'm sincere. Now Saibu, if you look at this Agyapong document, me can read, I'll give you illustrations. A rabbi says in Bisudi Achero. Now Saibu, page 1 of the Agyapong document. Was say to achieve, we need to appropriate the fundamental economic and financial levers which will guarantee access control in the years to come. In doing this, we need to be strategic. We will have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in the Ashanti and other diverse ethnicity or lands. This will make them believe, this will make them believe that they also have a hand in the pie. It will be obscure any suspicion that the project is essential and Ofori project. Although the Akan and the Ashanti group within the current NPP is gearing itself to take over the party after the next tenure in 2024. It will be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to bypass the mantle
to a non-account person, preferably the North, under whose presidency we could secure our maturity of our takeover project. We made a fit, Mama. And we'll be seeing some sort of Shabu.
Thank you.
And to look at if you look at since 1992 back, when it comes to the mention of running meter, we don't do this kind of research. Though political parties and ideas before there's nothing wrong with it.
Because we in security, we are running flag bearer.
Thank you. Because what the party itself can say, we want you to do this kind of research for us. Look for maybe a greater portion. Do sampling, do your survey, give us recommendations and white paper. Yeah, who can be first we can take a decision. Sano mana is in a democratic party. In a democratic party, not an autocratic party.
A democratic party like
a democratic party, they say. Soviet Union, and I said before the Soviet Crown, to 2 years, who said president. We are not going to suppress the will of the people. Yanka say Jais uncle for or one of person that will be in the interest of the party, but not in the interest of an individual. In 1992, based 1996, the NPP was a democratic party. In 1996, based 2008, the NPP party was a democratic party. From 2008, the NPP party is an autocratic party. I repeat, party no. Now you can even label the leader to be Adolf Hitler. They take decisions at the expense of the people. And when Mama said the masses will not say will assist. Say Branabra be a leader and pay for me a test one can suppress the will of the people. In 1992,
now we are so say.
Oh, Shaibu, maybe allow me, I'll fall for you.
Okay.
In 1992, if you can Roland issue from Kwaku Annan, it was the flag banner and the cast aside in 1996, per the environment and circumstances, J.A. Akufo didn't have a choice. He has to go for a car in making sure I will make my fight with J.J. Rollins. Now in 2000, about 2008, now me catch them. So if you look at J.A. Akufo, now down for Pani Aliu Mahama. Aliu Mahama, what you hear about what the cadre, then it means you know and know him well. So there's a message about Bodi me a Yaku Komudi was after Unkunimi. And one cadre, anytime he goes to J.A. Akufo, J.A. Akufo catches one. I am a Christian. I heard from the southern part of me a Santini, me a Kani. We need someone a bit within a part of me. Now the northern part, which many a lot of votes. Konako Bibra. What the Nipan boss, Debbie. What offer a man did Ula Badebi. What offer with the Bombs, Debbie. And what? And a J.A. Akufo catches Massa. That's how I commit my divine meeting. Wabaho, I'm submitting your name to the neck. And if they approve it, you are going to be my running mate. Yeah. Meaning, say, J.A. Akufo Nankasana willingly. Or choose papa no. Now running mate at a sour. At a so about Kwako. Some of it choose about Kwako and the Mawa aya aim. Because of Bodono, a do it face out. But that's near Warema. Sabu, and name them young Warima. And be at a 10 amount for one papa no massa. Now the environment is changing. First, so we crack our arenas and if you say, but be a 2 more for Konya, almost I didn't. Or we don't be sure of phones, we have TikTok in the bend who are penal, what you see on anything. Now the environment is changing. In 2008, Nana the Danko Akufo Addo submit Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to the neck. Before said Dini Kono, Nasadi Boniface Hajalu Mamo, Edin and Yebo. And these were two popular in the northern part of Ghana. So I made a running mate to another. And assassin on the cast submitting names in the neck. Thank you. How come Bawumia yes the north? And even Bawumia Krampodiano, it was a serious problem. Our neck. Because no, it took them 6 hours to decide on Bawumia. No, the kind of Bawumia I say, before he told me, it took them 6 hours. A name Bawumia crowd to settle on the name Bawumia was a problem. One, he doesn't come from the inner circles of the New Patriotic Party. He is an alien who is not part of the party. After now, and in the MPP party, since the person should be in a good standing with the party for 5 years. So can Bawumia also go and bring an alien too? And it says party the party then the party you are totally deviating from your tradition. Sabu, now we shall start report here, but yeah, we don't have any problem to it. But Sabu, you see, Ghana, hypocrisy in the Obu Father and Yadi Papa. Also, among for what so. If you look at where they are, your money a credible, a goodness, and what's amount for here. Sabu, you will come in an MPP forecast of Akoto. Abono Akoto. Akoto Akwaku regional executives. Yeah, regional executive. Okay. That Ashanti region or okay, Kitaka. No, Ashanti region. Okay. whereby won't we win the first one?
Yeah, second term.
The second term. No. Now, if you look at no more Kwakopena, near Papa B, Nidini Bodini Mami. Thank you. Per research, the BNI, the Yoko, the Ghana police, the CID, they came to Ashanti region. To me, the presidency as well. So, Mama, now Mama, empirical research, come and do your survey. Give us the blueprint and the white print. A dear woman, a dear amount for what Ashanti region delegates. No, I didn't offer. Because at time, no one to meet him the party for position about power. And I could felt comfortable dealing with already any time I want.
Whether he wanted to execute portion of Japan.
Thank you. Teach me. And to my son is one. After so many years, so many the final conclusion and say, won't mean if they go for the elections with Gra, won't we lose the election?
Won't we wasn't the preferred choice by the masses, right?
Yes. This kind of survey report. Yes, this kind of survey. Why you? That was Ashanti region. Or we are reporting you say there be. So we call Kotrabane where you won't be lose about. This is election. But Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people.
Upon this survey, and favor won't me.
Can you? As I say.
I say
yes.
Ashanti region MPP chairmanship.
Yes.
I was paid to step down for Untumi as I unveil big secret.
Thank you. What say? On what they paid money to him to step down. Who can't quite clear? Was he was even called to the presidency. He was even called to the Jubilee House. And by family within the party, and your man said that you want to step down or continue with your buy, Nika boy in your mutual scanning the man. Tell and to see her critically. It means he said, Nana down Akufo Addo was not ready and willing to work with the as and it was an election. It was a contest.
Running mates. If the president is indecisive and incompetent, what would the running mate do?
The best running mate in the world would not make a difference if the president is indecisive or incompetent.
And it is true. Besaibu,
but say Dr. Mahama indecisive.
Why?
Dr. Mahmoud Bobby. So the running mate now also open. Now some of kind of maybe say if the president is indecisive and incompetent, the running mate also you can select the best running mate in the whole world. He said Dr. Mahmoud is an incompetent and indecisive. So the running mate there about
thank you. GTA. Now what tell report here by Yasaibu? Yes, in Napo, 84% are going for Napo.
Okay.
Tell me 84% they are going for Napo. So also and a 94% so pay male.
Okay.
Running mate. 89% say the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Diano, they are ready for it.
Okay.
Now Sabu, also preferred running mate and Wahano. Marty Opoku Pempe Napo 76.27.
Okay.
Sir, almost across the length and breadth of Ghana.
Okay.
But almost share MPP for and now MPP for them response more. See, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should be very, very skeptical in choosing Napo as his running.
Very skeptical.
I'm telling you, it's very dangerous for him. Today I'm speaking as a political pundit. I want to help the MPP today.
But I share Nipan or trust previously.
What am I?
Religion,
ethnicity. Anytime say so very skeptical. And I say one. Who has so many now? I'm saying the running mate should come from Ashanti region. Two, running mate, should come from Ashanti region. Two, say for Ashanti region, that means that they have to get someone who is a true and true MPP person who feels Ashanti region. Now me cast it is good. So Kwaku running mate. Base now Kwaku penny the nephew bano. Yes, any panel, the amount for in this anno. But you should be extremely careful if the person controls 2/3 of the party.
But Napo does he control 2/3 of the party? Or is it Napo? I am on way.
They say he controls to able to test. This survey should tell you in the region. This survey should tell you. Nemani who say nipa ba be do running meter. Shabuti. Obedi running meter. Because a amount for the party na den ba etie. And ne ba ye ntino. Anytime you have issues with him.
Party no sorry.
Thank you.
Because say ko ba say Kofo anya ani ali mu amanya asema ka party be ta Kofo echi. Thank you. No ma ji ali mu because we are and say you are not a known person.
Thank you.
Between Nana and the Bawumia, so they forgo Bawumia because also Kwaku an alien.
Thank you.
But this time, the Ashanti people also jeering towards we're capturing the party. And this time said Bawumia Naponya Sama, a bay blues.
Secondly, if you look at say 8 or quarter to test in Asabu, any decision that you take, are only happy with it, can set a coup for you. And yes, a coup so he can set a coup at the base for you.
It also uphold the only base.
Sam, yes, be only base, but Obia, Sammy Pano, uncontrolled 2 tests or 3 tests of the party.
But Franco said, Yama was right and said, we are on Mampeni Kufwa.
Yes,
Kufwa was a popular candidate,
yes.
A party person who was make a former Baby do so until Kufwa na ho day bar and I feel the party na ho day bar. Now it's the same thing. Yes. But this house here MPP now what they call for. Oh, baby. And Bawumia himself was not only feel that they said also called be also base of party. There is an idea.
And I had a call from the MPP big people. I must say, Ghana politicians, you know why they are rooting for that. I'm so penny papa party or chow muska.
Reason to party for
I'm telling you. I'm saying. Now put the language of the party.
So now I can say. And
I disagree with him. So that is not
but on town I can video the Emla.
Apart from Napo, everybody here is ungrateful. The only person that made your campaign, man, and now born Napo these were vice president and make a campaign. From what I know, be about me, yeah. I'm telling you. So who called Napo office the way he relate to party for fekeke. Me na me ka tira mo nne. Ma bo ma to one be twebo. Asante fo no mzi omu pe vice.
Yes. I disagree. Enja me trust as Napo. Se Bawumia kobo sa edina in Asante region. He controls more than 2/3 of the party.
That's not the channel. Bawumia so in party ni base no. I'm the party not break it. How can you throw the party base away? Shabu. And I make sure as I say, I say, Anomaly, if I say, oh, Anomaly, so Kuna, Okum, Ojana Yasa, for us off.
Shabu, Obamia or down. Secondly, you should look for a person who is loyal, hardworking, and ready to die for you at any particular moment.
So is Bawumia ready to die for Akufo Addo? Was Bawumia ready to die for Akufo Addo? If you look at Akufo Addo, no matter what year Bawumia has sacrificed for him a lot. But now about that is where the loyalty ended. Just want to make a he was loyal to him for almost 6 years. Once what Musa Debbie, Akumana Edeno. Now, no money Akufo Addo, yeah, by in the public domain, so he never in a bet in no man, he's for going against it. Now, Saibu. Loyalty, we don't buy it. Loyalty, we earn it. Where? Okofa running mate. Our running mate also has an ambition to become a president. But Napo has a presidential ambition.
What's it?
Napo president.
Take this from me. If they go to this kind of elections and the NPP, now they do what's more for flag bearership, Napo contest.
So can election with it and you claim say NPP the best. Shall we show?
Me say
there's a Bawumia so I'm fan the poor. They won't prepare for say also lose na po.
Me say no pay for me catch me say Bawumia mo na podia. The best wo kroma di jai. Then Bawumia should even come to the Ashanti region. Me say me say Pamuno he's a big man. Was it Franco me catch no me hell. Mo kasa man for ti mo kan kire Bawumia na nko for say so mo no ko body fufu bi apart from the poor. Then Bawumia should forget about Ashanti region.
So Bawumia also listen to the party call and uncle you ne kura obi ontimi ne ye adwuma.
Anytime I see the who say it's not talking about popularity, but we should be very circumspect, very careful. Bawumia no one obetini na ye adwuma.
But frankly,
that's the final question. For one obetini na ye adwuma. One about Bawumia betini na ye adwuma. Ti o Shabu, enye say bi Shabu ye popular. Shabu amanfo ni mu nesa no ma no. Na o kwa akọware. Aware na akwa akọware no, oba na wuri no do no. Owu mo nkomo betini no sa oba na nante ana. That is the question people should. It's not about popularity. It's not about survey.
Now a baby was so about your bounce or a presenter between Nakwa Bontin or dress a come up. Oh, we do it yet. No, but if you go book, I said, yeah, and a church secretary work with our short memory. We will be mind a shallow. Young warrior who feel. Coca Ben Maska for the don't be more warfare. Baby was on your nephew. But be so that kind of said, you man as we.
ne man da ne boano to no ma kwan bebre de man. And the person is not looking at the outer beauty, he's looking at the inner beauty. The American says, if you look at some Akufo Addo, if you look at Matthew Poku in terms of hard working as a sector minister and the energy yet is saying,
I have coffee culture.
Me say now what they do light in 4,144 and then Napo.
Me bo frankly can Bawumia esi the dimba ko de agyeman. Esa obegina. Esa ni dimba ko de agyeman. Wa ba begina santimantem wasi. Osen ai opawu. Yemfa no emma egada asante ne enhwe no so. Obetuma hwe asante ne so anim. Na asante ne nana a konfa ne nechi. Ba ka memfa no.
Shabu. The who can name more issues. I am Bawumia never person will be president. The president is going to work with the vice president. The president is going to be in bed with the vice president. The president is going to take decisions with the vice president. So the question is, Sadini Baba Bontini na Oda no kwe ya kwa kwe sovi when a party for the penny sano man aha akwa kwe say bia wo maame mu o makwa kwe research bi e bia o guess be 10 o mu hwe mu e bia Rosina de dogoto o pe wo bro so ne sano man sha bu chinchin person na sa oba na wara wo so wakoma mu o nza sa oba e bia ware na emwa na saibu kwe maame nka asem chew Akufo Addo they are not even ready e bia wunmi but one day say dem be ka asem kire wa what they make no. They didn't want to listen to Napo crowd with their discussion. They don't want to even listen to Napo in their discussion. You know why? Where? Akufo Addo, they know that the grounds is not fertile for Bawumia. They know so it's somehow difficult for Bawumia to win the elections. See, the shortest way to become a president is through a vice president. The shortest way for you to become a president is through the vice president. Bawumia wan constant elections be happen. The first elections our call and it's a super delegate in this animal no man and Bawumia the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. Now after the exit of Akufo Addo, now the party in Ababidi Bawumia as a flag bearer. Still Akufo Addo controls the party. If you look at this Agyapong document, after the exit of Akufo Addo and the dividends in maturity election, Pono ma bonus can no man on Benga say tam. Oman yabi dada. But dividends are kese no hono and na ko bi no ene nwano ene akante nam ni gu. And they want people they can control. Take this for me. One, Napo, Hefan will free.
Menshia.
Napo never diane J. Akufo.
No offer.
Thank you. Akufo any day.
No offer.
Thank you. Akufo Addo, per this Agyapong document, they don't want the party to come to the Buzia side no for now.
Specific Akufo.
Kofomo no. Some Buzia's for there. Any true and true Kofomo no. Tinibium. Any true and true Kofomo no. Now what's here Agyapong document and it is true in your section. Akufo Addo might be a kito amone say. They still want to control the party. A section of Atem form want to control the party. Say ne. Bawumia when ya bana obeko 8 years. If all things being equal. Oko 8 years because Napo is more popular in the inner circles of the New Patriotic Party. Running mate crown a bimogia confirm see. Running mate any yes will be cry is me or so fair sentimentum. Running mate in Tiasin Napo me when mammy. Running mate in Tiasin Napo crown a cock or poison your friends a Jokuma and no money now. Upon all these frictions, any compounded problems, no, the people are still behind him and they are still pushing for him to become the running mate. Sabamia edging 8 years Libya. Automatically, the running mate and the flag bearer, no, the running mate becomes the flag bearer.
Yeah.
See, the running mate, Napono, will become the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. Who may be a Kokusi? A Kokusi said now the JA4 camp has come back and they've taken total control of the party, whereby the dividends, the maturity period of the investment, they say, committee did not say investment, or be in a point just so more. Take this from me. And to make catch now, Neshabu. Open the pump Akufo, Nipanka Akufo penny here, if you more pay.
Because on Bawumia we try 8 years.
Oh,
that's why I'm on for vice.
Say, Bawumia problem of what Bakopan says, so we shall Akufo doing.
Yes, sir, I understand, sir.
Yes.
Pay my checks.
Yes.
Yes, sir, but Nanado Campono.
Yes.
And if you more pay Ama and Bawumia, Bawumia had not given him a reply.
See, what me say, just want to make a throw. Now, no, buy a big platform so I can 11 seminal. me catch us or send your transcripted document no e de ma Akufo Addo for that mo hwe mo kan so won se free mo wan sesa no o me no problem there toso mi no Akufo Addo feel say still I want to control the party from home me so panipa ba ko a ha Mahmoud Bawumia Emma or said the chances of Bawumia to become a president eh na na do Akufo Addo ba won kan no kran fa nkyere no sabu Akufo Addo chinchin o sani tintin no ma no a o ye no was it chinchin so from mo pareba say if they want to pick a running mate from Ashanti region so mo kokoi sa ma na e de ba sabu take this for me open nipa ba kwa nka Mahmoud Bawumia nyan kone ba yi adwuma a obetimi aboa no on se papa ne bre ne ho ase owo do ne timo obetimi aboa no no obetimi ye underline obetimi ye errand boy ediama no matter his age anybody wadu na ne loyalty you cannot compromise it e ya duchu wuntu so asa duchu chance kra wuntu mi entokwa asa be se de su ni mfaso no ma fon tankan ye koso Ashanti region running mate ho na ohine ba se edu TV so kekani na so people say there is a problem entene ampa so venaba but the so will be any problem me and I'm speaking as a pandit Mahmoud Bawumia me papa no anka me pe me ofa no anka me pe wo na wo kwa akopro president do so won kofo edi wachi block wo hye dem na tena asidin na ka video na bisa ho se me ni nipa na ekwa akoya adwuma sa nipa bebrebe we nyina yi why na me yina obetimi agbo metima ma achieving your objective sa nipa be na betima ye two lawyer on betray me onye Judas Iscariot na ni mrade sa nso chinchin to person be president e se Bawumia locking no matter the kind of problems the vilification the attacks that will come on him any son or man it's a matter of choice choose someone who will help you don't choose anyone who has an influence on the people and they will fight you tomorrow
you waiting for waiting and some year abati editu ya wada and some bebre edi afa ye Bawumia ye running mate hun sensemi ya Akufo Addo ye odini na to ja ba obedo nya ya na nkope ya wo editu and then nipa ye MPP for no say editu German ye Napo na no na branch ye edi some bebre atuja afan the guy was to see me so and our head so when you subscribe ya let's just say over subscribe and like it now I share video no ama of for so enye bi na wa hwe also etimi akere waden afa ye and some way na ho e wo comment box ni mo beti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.